Good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 7. How are you today? I hope that you enjoy your vacation, but we need to learn math in our vacation. You must enjoy studying math in your home, because if you don't move your brain, it will be stopped. So try to move your brain with us today and enjoy our lesson. Today, our lesson is will be the complementary and the supplementary angles. This is lesson number 2 in chapter 7. Our homework today will be page number 548. So, our objective today, we need to understand the meaning of the complementary and the supplementary angles, and we need to be able to find the. So, what we need today, we want to learn today what? Look with me please. We need to learn the complementary angle and the supplementary angle. The pair of angle, complementary and supplementary, we need to learn that. Okay? And we need to know the relation between them and the missing measure of the angle. So, firstly, I need to know the vocabulary. The new vocabulary here, this will be the complementary angles and the supplementary angles. Before we start our lesson, we need to take care about this. This is a complementary angle and the supplementary angle. What is the meaning of the complementary? They are two angles. We must have two angles. Pair of angles. They are two angles. The sum of their measure is equal what? Is equal 90. So if I add measure of angle B plus measure of angle Y, the sum of them is equal 90. So the complementary, they are two angles only, two angles. Can be 3, can be 4, no. It will be two angles, pair of angles, couple of angles. The sum of their measure is equal 90. Maybe we have the two angles far away from each other by this way. So the sum of them is equal 90, so they are complementary. Again, if I have two angles, the sum of their measure is equal 90 by this way, the sum of them equal 90, yes, so I have they are complementary. Or we have the two angles by this way, they are adjacent angles. Here we have in this shape two adjacent angles. What is the adjacent angle? We said that before. I have common side, and I have common vertex, and they are not overlapping. It means that the outer are in different direction. So if you have a letter by this shape and you have here 90, so these two angles are complementary. So again, what is the meaning of the word complementary again, my friend? They are two angles, the sum of them is equal 90. We will go now to the other word. The other word said that the supplementary angles. What is the supplementary angle? They are two angles. The two angles here is would be like 120 and 60. The sum of them is equal 180. So we have 120 and 60. They are, the sum of their measure is equal 180, so they are supplementary. Maybe we have the two angles far away from each other by this shape, so we can call them by what? We can call them by supplementary angle. Because the sum of their measure, if I add them together, it gives me what? 180. So in supplementary, the sum of these two angles, 50 and 40, the sum of them is equal 90, so they will be called by what? They will be called by complementary. Here we will have the sum is equal 180, so they will be called by supplementary. Or maybe we have the two angles by this shape. The two angles by this way are two. Angle, couple of angle, pair of angle are adjacent, number 1. Why? Because I have common side and I have common vertex, and the outer arm in different direction. And we have the two angles, the sum of them here is equal 180. So here I have measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equals what? Equal 180. Here we have the sum of them, measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equal what? Equal 90. So this will be called by complementary. So the complementary angle, they are two angles, the sum of them is equal 90. Here, the sum of the supplementary angle is 100. So our family today will be the complementary angle and the supplementary angle. Again, complementary angle and supplementary angles. Okay. We need now to talking about the symbol of the angle. We can put it by measure of angle by this way. This is the symbol, and this is the measure of the angle by this way. If I have that complementary angle, what does it mean? If I have measure of angle 1, this measure of angle 2, like this shape, we have the measure of angle 1 and 2 is equal. What? Equal 90 degree. If I have measure of angle 1, this measure of angle 2 is equal 90. So this one is called by complementary angle. So the complementary angle, the sum of them is equal 90. Here we are talking about the supplementary, by this shape. If you have two angles are adjacent like here, and the sum of them, the sum of their measure is equal what? The sum of their measure, like here, 3 and 4 is equal 180. So they will be called by supplementary. Again, what does it mean of the supplementary? They are two angles, couple of angles. Both of them, the sum of them is equal 180. We need to identify, he said that, identify each pair of the angle is will be complementary and each one is will be supplementary. We must know that here, my friend, I have what? I have here that. Angle 1 and angle 2, they will be like what? They will be like that. These two angles are make straight line intersect with the ray. If you have a straight line by this shape, intersect with the ray, so the angle 1 here and the angle 2 are supplementary angle. So the supplementary here means the two angle, couple of angle, pair of angle, they must be two. Take care about this. We must have two angles. The sum of them is equal 180. But we have here another relation. We can say this angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why angle 1 equal to angle 3? They are equally measured because they are equal for this reason. They are vertically opposite angles. So what is a vertically opposite angle? They are two angles. Both of them are equally measured. So again, my friend, what is the meaning of vertically opposite angle? So we have two angles, the measure of them are equal. So they are congruent. They are congruent. It means that they have similar. And measure of angle 2 is measure of angle 4. You can see that measure of angle 2 and measure of angle 4. The both of them, this angle and this angle, are equally measured. So again, my friend, here angle 2 equal to measure of angle 4. Why measure of angle 2 equal measure of angle 4? They are equally measured. So they are congruent because they are vertically opposite angle. VOA. Here we have measure of angle 1 equal to measure of angle 3. Why measure of angle 1 equal to measure of angle 3? The both of them are equal because they are equal for the vertically opposite angle. For an example, if I said this angle is equal to 120, how I can find the remainder angle? We can say this opposite angle is will be equal to that. Angle 120, this one is number 1. So the angle 3 is will be equal to 120. Why? By vertically opposite angle. How I can find measure of angle 2? I will find measure of angle 2 by this way. If I have this angle is 122, I will find this angle by this way. 180 minus 120. We must put the degree over each one of them. So we will make 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus. So if you need the supplementary angle, make 180 minus the given angle. It gives me 60. So the measure of this angle is equal what? The measure of this angle is equal 60 degree. Don't forget degree. So if this angle is 60 degree, what is the measure of the other angle? They will be 60 degree yards by the vertically opposite angle. So the vertically opposite angle are equal in measure. Again, measure of angle 2 equal to measure of angle 4. The both of them are equal in measure, so they are congruent because they have the same measure 60 by vertically opposite angle. And this angle 1 and 3 are equal for the same reason. For it will be vertically opposite angle. The next. Here we need to know what is the relation between these two angles. He gives me a couple of angles, whatever the measure. So I need to know the type of angle. What we will do? we will get the sum. So the sum here is equal what? I will add 128 plus 52. 128 plus 52, I add them together. So add the unit with the unit. 2 plus 8 equal 10, 0, and carry over 1. 1 over 5, 6, 6 and 2 equal 8. And 1 comes down at this. So the sum of the two angles here, the sum of their measure is equal 108. This and that will be equal to 180, yes. So the two angles here are supplementary. Again, what does it mean of the word supplementary? They are couple of angles, pair of angles, the sum of their measure is equal to 180, so they are supplementary. Again, what does it mean of supplementary? The sum of the two angles is equal 180. What is the meaning of complementary? The sum of the two angles is equal 90. Again, if you have two angles, the sum of their measure is 180, we call them by supplementary. If you have two angles, the sum of them is equal 90, I call it by complementary. So the two angles here are what? Look, they will be supplementary. Why? Because the sum is equal 180. Another example, identify the type of the angle, okay? And I need to know what is the meaning of that word supplementary and complementary. We said the supplementary here, my friend, it is what? The supplementary here means the sum is equal 180. If you have two angles, the sum of them is equal 180, it will be called by supplementary. If you have two angles, the sum of them will be equal 90, it will be complementary. If I add these two numbers together, what we have? Look with me, my friend. I add 60 plus 30 diagonal. Again, I have that. I have 60 degree plus 30 degree. Don't forget the unit. So 60 plus 30 here will be equal what? Is equal 90. 60 plus 30 is equal 90. So we said the supplementary, the sum of them is equal 180. The complementary, the sum of them is equal 90. Which type of this? Because we have the sum is 90, so they will be complementary. Again, because we have two angles, the sum of them is 90, so they are complementary. So I add 60 plus 30 degree, so they will be equal 90, so they are complementary. Another example, he gives me what? This two angles. Look with me. Because we have this angle is 90 by this shape, so this angle, the red one, and this one will be our complementary. Again, this angle, the red box with the white box here, they are what? They are supplementary. So if I have this shape, this angle, with this angle are supplementary. But because we have angle 1 here, look with me please, I have angle 1 with angle 2. What is the relation between them? They will be complementary. So again, this angle, if I call this one is 3 and this is 4, the couple of angles, the pair of angles, 3 and 4 are supplementary. So they are supplementary. Here we have the two angles, 1 and 2, this angle 1 and this angle 2, they will be what? They will be complementary. Again, 3 and 4, because it will be made T letter by the shape. We have T letter. It will be that this angle is 90 and this angle is 90. So the both equal what? Extend, my friend. This both is equal what? Is equal 180. So they are supplementary. Here we have what? Okay, we can make abbreviation for this. And this one is will be what? This one is will be complementary by the shape. Okay, my friend? After that, so the two angles here are complementary. I need you now to thinking about this problem. I will give you 1 minute until you try to find this. 1 minute to know the relationship. Excellent, my friend. This one will be called by what? The two angle, like the previous example here, will be called by what? They will be called by adjacent angle, and they are complementary. So the two angles here are complementary. Why? Because the sum of their measure is equal 90. Here I have these two. The sum of their measure equal 90 degrees. So what we will do in this case? I will make the sum of these two equal 90. So we will do 2x plus 28. The sum of them. This will be equal what? Equal to 90. Again, I have 2x plus 28 equal to 90. Now we have an equation. I need to solve this equation. How I can solve it? Look with me. We will make here minus 28 because I need to cancel 28 first. So minus from the both sides 28, or we make adding for the negative 28. The two are same. After that, my friend, what we will do, I have here that 2x plus 28 is equal 90. Make minus 28 from the both sides. So this will be cancelled together. I have here 2x now. This will be equal what? Subtract. So 10 here, because we will borrow 1, it will be 8. 10 minus 8 equal 2. And 8 minus 2 equals 6. I have now 2x means 2 times x equal to 62. 2 times x equal to 62. How I can solve this? Because we have here times, we will return and make divided. Divided both sides here and there, divided by 2. So we will divide both sides by 2. After that, what we will do? We will do that. X equal and 62 divided by 2, divided 6 by 2 equals what? 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So the value of x is equal what? The value of x is equal to 31. So again, I will make the sum of the two angles, 2x plus 28. I will make the sum of them is equal to 90. So I have 2x plus 28 equal to 90. I add negative 28 or I subtract 28 from the both sides. They are the same. So 2x is equal to 62. Divided the both sides by 2 here. Left and right. We will divide the both sides. So we have the value of x is equal to 31. Another example, my friend. So as we said, we'll make the equation 28 plus 2x is equal 90. We will write the equation by this shape, and after that, we will make minus 28 from the both sides. After I make them minus 28 from the both sides, we will divide the both sides by 2. We will divide the left and right side, the both of them by 2. So the value of x is equal what? The value of x is equal 31. Another example. He gives me find the value of x. I give you 1 minute for thinking about this. Excellent, very exciting. I know that you are brilliant student. I know that. Okay, go with me, my fabulous student, and try to solve this. We will make 2x plus 56. It will be equal to 180. Why I put here it will be equal to 180? Because I told you that if you have a straight line intersecting with the ray, so these two couple of angles, the pair of angles here, the sum of them is equal to 180 because they are supplementary. So again, my friend, I have here the two angles. If I have a straight line intersecting with the ray, they are supplementary. The two angles here are what? Are supplementary. What is the meaning of supplementary here? The word supplementary means the sum of their measure is equal to 180. We need to cancel the 56. How I can cancel 56 here? I will make minus 56 for the left and make minus 56 for the right. Negative 56 and positive 56 here is to be cancelled together. Or if I subtract 56 from the both sides, it will be cancelled. I have here that, my friend, 2x is equal to 180 minus 56. So we will put 1 to be equal 7 and this one is equal 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 7 minus 5 equal 2. And 1 comes down at it. So 10 minus 6 equal 4, 7 minus 5 equal 2, and 1 comes down at it. After that, I will divide the both sides. Here and there, divide them by 2. I will divide the both sides by 2. After that, what we will do, divide the both sides by 2, the result. 2 cancel with 2. So x here is equal to 12 divided by 2 equal 6. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and you can divide this one by using calculator. So again, my friend, what we do? Firstly, I will form the equation. An equation, how I can form it here? I will add the sum of these two angles, because I know that the sum of supplementary angle is equal to 180. So 2x plus 56, 2x plus 56 equal to 180. Again, 2x plus 56 equal to 180. We'll make minus 56 from the both sides. And after that, I will have 2x equal, I have that 2x equal to 124, divided the both sides by 2, so x here is equal 62. So the value of x, as we said, equal to 62. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to thinking about this example. Sorry for the drawing is not clear until this moment. Okay, he gives me what? Try to cancel the answer and try to think with me about the drawing. What we have? I have now two angles. The two angles here are the sum of their measure is equal what? Equal 180. Why is it the sum of them equal 180? Because he said for me that they are supplementary. So I have here two supplementary angles. What will we do in this case? I will add 123, this angle, plus this angle, 3x. I will add the two measures. I will add 123 and 3x. I will add them together. So 123 plus 3x is equal to 180. 123x plus 3x is equal to 180. I form the equation. So in the first step, we will form the equation. You will make what? You will form the equation. So we will make 123 plus 3x is equal to 180. So the second step, I will make minus 123 from the both sides. So subtract 123. Why? Because I need to cancel this. So in the first step, I cancel the plus and minus. So make minus 123 to the left and 123 to the right. So this and this will be cancelled. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 123. We will make 180 minus 123. So 3x is equal to what? Equal to 57. We will divide the both sides here and there, divided them by 3. So divided the both sides by 3. So 3x is equal to 57, divided the both sides by 3. So x is will be equal to what? Equal to 19. Again, what we do, my friend? I will make this one plus this. The sum of the two angles, the sum of their measure is equal to what? Equal 180. Why they are 180? Because he said for me that prepare from this verb, they are supplementary. Because he gives me this verb, I will make the sum of the two angles equal 180. So we will make minus 123 from the both sides. We will make minus 123 from the both sides. And after that, cancel this with this. Because I do the subtraction for this. So we will make the subtraction or adding negative 123 for this reason. After that, I will divide the both sides by 3. So we will make what? I will divide the both sides by 3. Look with me to the next question, please. He gives me, I have two angles are complementary, yes. I give you 1 minute to try to thinking about this. Okay, my friend, what we will do in this example, we will make that. Look with me. I will make the two angles here, this and this, they are complementary. So the two angles here are complementary. What we will do in this case? I will make equation, I will form equation. So we will form in this equation how? By making 3x plus 63, and he gives me the two angles are complementary, right? The sum of their measure is equal not. So again, I will make adding for 63 and 3x. Add both angles together, it gives me equal amount. After that, we will make what? I will need to cancel 63. And because we have here plus, I will make minus 63 to the left and make minus 63 to the right. So we will add negative 63 for the both sides, or we will subtract 63 from the both sides, they are the same. We will cancel this with this. So 3x here, my friend, is equal to 90 minus 63. We will subtract that. 1 from 9 would be 8. And here we have this one is 10. 10 minus 3 equal what? Equal 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. And 8 minus 6 equal what? Equal 2. So we have 3x is equal to 27. We need to make what after this? I will divide it by 3, and I need to divide this one by 3. So divide the both sides by 3. So the value of x here is equal what? The value of x here is equal to 27 divided by 3. What is the value of 27 divided by 3? So it will be equal 9. Again, my friend, I add 3x plus 63. I add them together. The sum of their measure is equal to 90. Why 90? Because you said for me complementary. So because he said for me in the example complementary, so the sum of their measure is equal to 90 degrees. So the first step, I need to cancel 63 by make minus 63 from the both sides. I will make minus 63 for the both sides. So I have 3x is equal to 27. After that, we'll divide the both sides by 3. Okay, my friend? So we'll divide the both sides by 3. So the value of x is to be equal to 9. Okay, look with me carefully to this example. He gives me that in the picture shown I have support brace for a gate. Find the value of x. So we will try to draw this one outside of the picture. Carefully, please. I have here that. I have here 80 and I have here 10x. I have here 80 and I have here 10x. Please see the picture. How I can find the value of x here? So I will make an equation because I have here a straight line with a radius. So the sum of these two measures is equal what? The sum of these two measures is equal to 180. So I have 10x plus 80, 10x plus 80 equal to 180. Why, my friend? Because I know that this angle, number 1, and this angle, number 2, these two angles, they are supplementary. The sum of their measure is equal to 180. I need now to cancel what? I need firstly to cancel 80. So make minus 80 for the left and make minus 80 for the right. So we'll subtract 80 from the both sides. Okay? I will subtract 80 from the both sides. This cancels this. So 10x is equal what? Equal 180 minus 80 will be equal 100. After that, what we will do, I will divide the both sides by 10. Divided the left here by 10 and divided the right by 10. So the both sides are divided by 10. So I will divide them by 10. So the value of x is equal to 10. Again, my friend, what we do? Firstly, I will cut the geometrical figure for me from the picture. So the first step, don't work over the picture because it will be not clear. Cut the geometrical figure. It should be by the shape. We will make cut and paste. Cut and paste. Okay? So we have here 80 and 10x by itself. What we will do after this? We will form an equation. This angle plus this, the sum of them is equal, the sum of their measure is will be equal to 180. So We will add the two ends. The sum of their measure is equal to 180. We will need to cancel first the 80. This 80 I need to cancel. So first step, cancel the plus. Second step, we'll cancel the times. So make minus 80 from the both sides, the left hand side and the right hand side. After that, I have here 10 times x. So this 10 times x, I will divide the both sides by 10. So what is the value of x? The value of x here is will be equal to 10. So we will make this equation, formula this equation. I have 80 plus 10x equal to 180. After that, what will make? We'll make minus 80 from the both sides. After I make minus 80 from the both sides, I will divide the both sides by 10. So the step next, find the value of x that equal 10. So the value of x here is will be equal to 10. I need you now to thinking about this question. Look at this question carefully and try to solve this. 1 minute for you to thinking in this question. Okay, my friend. We will have that. I need to cut the geometrical figure from the watch or from this clock. So we will make this one by the shape. Cut the geometrical figure only from the watch. I have here 72 and I have here 6x. Look with me carefully. So I have these two. This will be made L letter. So the two angles here, I can call this angle number 1 and angle number 2. They are complementary. Again, the two angles here are what? The two angles here are complementary. So I add these two measures and make their sum is equal what? External equal 9. So I will put the equation by the shape. 6x plus 72. 6x plus 72 is equal to what? Equal to 90. So they are complementary, the sum is 90. If they are supplementary, I have the sum is equal what? 108. First step, I forming the equation. How? I made 6x plus 72 is equal to 90. After that, what we will make? Look with me please carefully. I will make minus 72 and make the minus 72. So we will add negative 72 from the both sides, or we'll subtract 72 from the both. They are the same. So we will cancel this with this. I have here what now? I have 6x equals what? This 2 is will be cancelled if I add them. So 90 minus 72. 90 minus 72, you can find it mentally. It will be equal 18 degrees. All of them you don't forget degree. So 6x is equal to 18. 6 here is will be that multiplied. So the 6 here is multiplied, I need to cancel them. So we will try to divide both sides by 6. So divide both of them by 6 as in solving an equation, right? So the value of x here is equal to what? The value of x